Hello and welcome to Full of Food. In this video I've made you an English breakfast fry-up frittata, all done in the air fryer. This is the perfect weekend breakfast. So let's jump straight into the ingredients. I've got some lovely smoked streaky bacon here, a sausage, I've got some hash browns, these are just frozen ones, some baked beans, I've got 4 eggs, and then I've got some black pepper, some lovely Cornish sea salt. I've just got some tomatoes on the vine, some chives for serving later, and some spray oil in case you feel you need it. So it's such a simple method this. All you need to do is use your air fryer to cook your breakfast items first. So therein go my hash browns. We're using the Ninja dual air fryer. You could do this in one air fryer. We've got our lovely bacon and our sausages going in, and we just need to cook them. So depending on the thickness of your sausage, how crispy you want your bacon, just cook it to your preference. While that's cooking, we're going to grab our lovely eggs here, give them a good old whisk together, and then we're just going to season well. So a crack of black pepper, pinch of that lovely Cornish salt, and then next up we're going to get our breakfast items out. So we've got our lovely hash browns there, we've got our bacon, I like mine to go nice and crispy, and we've got our sausage. So next step, just roughly chop these all up. They're going to go into your egg mixture in a minute. Depends on your preference, you could leave some of these bits whole, you could do whatever you want. So a little oven proof dish into the air fryer here, those lovely golden scrambled eggs, and then next up we're going to put our breakfast items in. So just scatter them in. I like to hold back a little bit of that crispy bacon for the top, and then pop our beans in, give that a good old stir together, and then when that's all combined, we're just going to air fry it until the eggs are cooked through. So you want to keep checking the middle of this, and it will depend on your air fryer, but the brilliant thing about air fryers is you can keep opening and closing them and checking. So once it's finished, you want to leave it in there for 5 minutes to rest, and then bring out that lovely dish full of our fry-up frittata. So you can't serve a fry-up without a bit of tomato sauce. Scatter a few chives on the top there, make it look nice and pretty. Put some of that crispy bacon on top. I saved that back earlier. And there you have this lovely fry-up frittata, steaming fresh out the pan. Serve it with a few vine tomatoes on the side. Perfect for using leftovers, or perfect for just that lazy weekend breakfast.